Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Charmaine and welcome to my very first video. So today I will be doing a braid out. I have to go to work this week, so a braid out is going to help me out for the remainder of the week. I will be doing the LCO method, liquid cream and oil for my low porosity hair. I am transitioning from heat, so you will see where my pattern is and then where the straight part ends. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this first little half play out just so you can kind of see exactly what it is that I'm doing, and then I'll jump back in to explain how I achieve a really good braid out.
Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Alright, so for this style, I will be using water, a leave-in conditioner, mousse, and grease. All the products I am using are linked down below. I am choosing not to big chop right now. I have big chopped in the past, but this time I just kind of want to work with my hair and see what happens over the next course of, I don't know, 6 to 8 months. Again, just to see what happens. I will eventually cut those straight pieces off when that time gets here, but I just want to ride it out and take that moisture and just kind of see what happens. I am going to braid the top half of my hair. I do have to go to work the next day, and I don't want my headset to get caught in my hair, and then it's going to mess with the pattern and really mess up the hair for the remainder of the week. And I do want this style to last me for a few days. So yeah, you will see that. So as you can see here, I applied all of the products and then I went ahead and detangled. So you can see my pattern at the top, and then you can see where that heat damage is towards the bottom. So what I am going to do is take this particular piece and I'm going to split it into 3 pieces, and then I'm going to begin braiding all the way down up until I get to the straight part. So with braiding, you want to make sure that you are braiding as close and as tight as possible. This is going to really bring out that definition in your hair when you braid tight. And then you don't want to borrow any hair. So with borrowing hair, you will promote more frizz. And if that's not what you're trying to do, then you don't want to borrow any hair, and then it's going to get all tangled up too as well when you go ahead and take it apart. But you just want to make sure that you don't borrow any hair. This is going to make for the best braid out. So you want to braid it all the way down. Once you get to those ends, you want to smooth it out, and then you want to take that perm rod and then you want to wrap your hair around. You want to make sure that your hair is sealed at the bottom. If it is still like not laying down flat, you can just take some more mousse or a little bit of grease, and then you can just go ahead and flatten it down like I'm doing here. And then you want to go ahead and wrap it up a couple of times just until you get to where that braided part is, just a little bit, and then you want to go ahead and lock it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this for the remainder of my hair, and then I will jump back in to show the finished results.
God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything.
All right, girls, so here's how we are looking. Again, for that top half, I did go ahead and braid it back. And then for the back, as you can see, I don't have any perfect parts, so I just pulled and braided. So I will sit up under my dryer for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'm just going to go ahead and slick my edges really quick, and then I'm going to go sit up under that dryer. So I will jump back in for the takedown process.
To what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
So here we are the next day. I am completely dry. I sat under the dryer for about an hour, and then I just threw my bonnet on and went to bed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting prepared for work. I do touch them a little bit here and there just to ensure that they are dry, so that way, you know, I'm not having any frizz, and if it is wet a little bit, so that way I know what kind of day I'm gonna have and how my hair is gonna flow throughout the week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these down.
Surrounded all alone, with no creation groans, I will sing of.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking these down. You just want to grab some lightweight oil, apply that to your hands, and gently start taking your braids down. So you want to start slightly above where those curls are at the end and just work your way up as gentle as possible. If you did not borrow any hair, there should be no snagging going on or anything like that. You should just be able to easily take these down nice and smooth. So I am just again going to go ahead and take these down, and then I will jump back in for the finished results.
Each moment, I have come to know the peace that he bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, with no creation groans, I will sing of. How could we hope for what is already seen? We ourselves.
Okay, girls, so here we are with the finished results. Look at that shine. Look at that definition. Pay attention to the bounce, okay? This is why I don't make any perfect parts, because look how fluffy that is. You don't want to make perfect parts. You just want to pull and just braid it down, and it's going to come out so nice. So for this next step, you can just leave your hair how it is if you mind frizz. But if you're like me and you don't mind any frizz, you could just go ahead and pull it apart and play with it even more. If you did apply enough product, when you are pulling them apart, they'll naturally just pull apart on their own. So as you can see, like, it's just splitting apart by itself. Like, it's gonna have its own location where it wants to split, so you don't have to force the split. Which again, it won't bring a lot of frizz, but it will bring some frizz. So you just want to go ahead and do that. You know, just enjoy the style and just fill it out. Pull where you want to pull. Grab that pick, go ahead and fluff it out for a little bit more volume, and just enjoy it. Again, you never want to touch your hair without any oil on your hands, so you just want to apply a little bit more oil to your hands and then just go ahead and fluff that out. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. There are more videos to come, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. All the things, you know, let me know what you think. Let's vibe out. Let's talk about it, okay? Okay, so hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he gave me two things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So